Your story, your 2014 Row the Boat story, man, ends here today. Ends here today. We gotta finish this story. You see, your story, man, gets people out of bed in the morning. It makes average people elite. It makes the person with cancer believe they can beat cancer. It takes average people to elite, man. That's what your story does. And you know what's funny? It doesn't matter what happens on that football field today. Because the what doesn't matter. What matters, man, is your how. How you play this game. How you represent yourself and your family. How you represent Western Michigan University. Men, it is time for this program to draw a line in the sand from past and present